Speech to text in Final Cut Pro. I bet you didn't know you could search in Final Cut Pro for words spoken in a video. I'll show you how to create text from spoken words, and as a bonus at the end of this video, I'll show you how to copy all of the text into a word processor. The amazing thing is that the process is really simple, and you can search in original clips, projects in progress, or even completed projects. The secret is to use Transcribe to Captions, and then you'll find a new category in the index labelled Captions. And let me show you with an original clip where I'm looking for the words overexposure. Right-click on the clip in the browser and select a new project. Select the project in the timeline, highlight the clips that contain audio. Right-click and select Transcribe to Captions. Open the index and then select the Captions category. Type overexposure. If you hover over the result in the index, you'll see all the text in that caption, or you can look in the inspector to see it as well. You'll also see that the playhead has moved to that position where the words are in the timeline. And now you can select that section using the Arrange tool. To search in a project is much the same process. And this will be useful when you're editing in the timeline, when you know the words spoken, rather than having to listen for them tediously. But just remember that if you don't want the captions, to delete them before the final export. As promised at the beginning of the video, in Final Cut Pro it's easy to copy the text generated with Transcribe to Captions and then add that text into a Word document or into a Pages document. Select the project in the timeline, select the clips with audio, and then right-click and select Transcribe to Captions. When the captions are being created, highlight them all, right-click and select Join Captions. In the inspector, you'll see all of the text. Now copy that and paste and match the style into your word processor app. And then you can remove the line breaks, the periods or full stops. So wasn't that easy? Thanks for watching.